Today, I'll show you how to make flowcharts quickly in http://draw.io. First, open your browser and go to http://draw.io. You may also see it called http://diagrams.net. When the page opens, choose where you want to save your diagram. For a quick start, you can choose Device, so the file saves on your computer. Next, click Create New Diagram. Choose Blank Diagram if you want to build your flowchart from scratch. Give your file a simple name like Process Flowchart, then click Create. Now you will see the http://draw.io editor. On the left side, you will find different shapes. For a basic flowchart, you only need a few common shapes. Use an oval shape for the start and end points. Use a rectangle for a normal step or action. Use a diamond shape for a question or decision, like yes or no. To begin, drag an oval shape onto the page. Double-click inside it and type Start. Then drag a rectangle under it. Double-click the rectangle and type the first step in your process. For example, you can write Open Website, enter details, or check information. Now connect the shapes. Click the first shape, then drag one of the blue arrows to the next shape. This creates a connector line automatically. Continue adding more rectangles for each step. If your process has a decision, drag a diamond shape onto the page. Type the question inside the diamond, such as, is the information correct? Then create two arrows from the diamond. Label one arrow yes and the other arrow no. To label an arrow, double-click the connector line and type the label. This makes the flowchart easier to understand. To make your flowchart faster, you can also use the quick insert arrows. Click a shape, then click one of the small arrows around it. http://draw.io can automatically create a new connected shape in that direction. This saves time because you do not have to drag every shape manually. You can also copy and paste shapes if you need the same style again. Select a shape, press Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V on Windows. On Mac, press Command-C, then Command-V. To keep the flowchart clean, arrange the shapes from top to bottom or from left to right. Try to keep enough space between shapes so the arrows are easy to follow. If the layout looks messy, select the shapes, then use the Arrange tools to align and distribute them evenly. When you are finished, click File, then Save. To share the flowchart, click File, then Export As, and choose PNG, PDF, or another format. So, to keep it simple, open http://draw.io, create a blank diagram, add flowchart shapes, connect them with arrows, label decisions, and save or export your work. And that's how you make flowcharts quickly in http://draw.io. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.